Thank you, Mr. Speaker. On both volumes, the pages being referred to are not there. In volume 1 and in volume 2, the pages being referred to is not there. And it seems that maybe some of us may have the right document, others don't have, and it's very difficult to follow. So it's important that we're all on the same page in terms of having the right documents before we proceed. Thank you.
Senator Sifuna.
Honorable Speaker, I must say that I'm extremely disappointed from the onset in terms of the sort of filing that has been done by the governor's team. And perhaps at the inception of this hearing, all the parties need to introduce us to the documents they have filed. You need to be able to say, and I say this with the greatest respect because the Honorable Katwa Kigen is a litigation lawyer of no mean repute, but I must say that this is below standard because, Honorable Speaker, first introduce us to the documents you have filed. Say, my documents are colored, I think this is peach. I'm being told by the ladies that this is peach, Honorable Speaker, because the men should abstain from discussion.
Proceed, Senator.
Yes, Honorable Speaker, the volume that Council is referring to as volume 1 is in fact not paginated. Perhaps what he needs to do, because he had indicated that he had filed a separate volume that was properly paginated, let us allow him to withdraw the documents that are not properly paginated and give us the volumes that are properly paginated, because this exercise is going to be extremely painful if we proceed in the manner that we are proceeding. Let each party introduce their documents. Let each party substitute documents that they believe they want to substitute so that we can proceed in a manner that is a bit easier, Honorable Speaker.
Yes, Senator Mogeni.
Yes, Mr. Speaker, I fully understand and sympathize with the agony that senators are finding themselves in trying to get the pagination, but also sympathize with counsel. He has made records, I think about 8 bound copies for 67 senators. My copy, the one I have, is well paginated. He was making reference to page 386, 387. I seem to be having a properly paginated bundle, that is volume 2. What my colleague, Senator Wambua has, as paginating that reads, if you go to it, maybe I can show it to the senators, it reads something like 375, 374, 375. It's not easy, it's not an easy task. I'll plead, Mr. Speaker, that those of us who have the right copies, it's very easy to make reference to the page. The ones that have a copy that has a problem, we just try to find the page. Mr. Speaker.
Order, Honorable Senators.
Mr. Speaker, as
Can Senator Mogeni be held in silence? And we don't raise hands here,
yes.
Senator Orwoba. You know what to do.
Mr. Speaker, as I've said, it's not easy to prepare all these bound documents. Let us know the senators who don't have the right copies, because the one I have is well paginated. So the ones who don't have a bundle that is not well paginated can draw the attention of the clerk, then they can swap. Maybe council can supply another copy, because it seems some of us have well paginated document, others don't have.
Okay, Honorable Senators, so that we make progress.
Mr. Speaker, sir,
that we make progress, Council.
Yes, can I identify the ones that are correctly paginated with the color so that we are kindly, Mr. Speaker,
if Council, you would wait for my directions? Good. So that we make progress and we carry all the senators along. First, what are your documents?
Mr. Speaker, sir, my documents are volume 1.
Introduce your documents first.
Yes, thank you,
and
Mr.
as you introduce your documents, honorable senators, confirm that you have that particular bundle.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Yes, proceed.
The first volume is bound with a green cover, sorry, a blue cover. Mr. Speaker, sir,
It's bundle number. What is the
one.
title of that bundle?
It is titled Statement of Defense by Honorable Dr. Hon Mutai to the Senate Impeachment Proceedings.
Okay, stop it there.